The trends are kind of born out of nonsensical phrases like glazed donut skin, tomato girl summer, strawberry girl summer. But these reveal a very curious aspect of the modern consumer culture, which is the rapid rise and the fall of the niche fads. At the heart of all this is very clever marketing, which is sometimes orchestrated by the brands themselves, and at other times it emerges from the grassroots level. If you want to understand it completely, the perfect case study to understand it is of Rhode Skin. Now, Hailey Bieber, who has masterfully utilized these vibe trends to promote her skincare line Rhode Skin, she has used phases and posted pictures which demonstrate these phases. For example, glazed donut skin, strawberry girl summer. But what she has tried to do is create a unique aesthetic that resonates with her followers and has cleverly followed these and tied these to product launches. The launch of her beauty products often follows her posts and most lead to an immediate sellout. This strategy demonstrates how effectively vibe trends can be used to launch and promote products, creating a ready-made audience which is primed for purchases. The basis of all this is aspirational. There is an aspirational quality to all this, which is linked to a lifestyle or an aesthetic that feels both desirable as well as attainable at the same time. Now, once a trend gains traction, it does not take long for it to manifest in consumer behavior, and it is evidenced by the surge in related product searches or the social media hashtags. Given all this, what can we conclude from it? That there is a ephemeral nature of these trends, and it highlights the broader narrative about the digital age space. Now, today's trending aesthetic could be tomorrow's forgotten news, and it can be replaced by another quirky, catchy phrase. This rapid cycle not only affects how the brands market their products, but it also shows us how consumers perceive their own identities in an ever-shifting landscape. Now that's all that we wanted to discuss with you today in this video of vibe trends within the beauty sector.